Ever dreamed of traveling the world while staying in beautiful homes for free? Imagine waking up in a beachfront villa, a cozy mountain cabin, or a stylish city apartment, all while paying zero for accommodation. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's 100% possible with house sitting. In this video, I'll break down what house sitting is, why it's a game changer for nomads, and whether it's the right fit for you. Stick around to the end, and I'll even share a special bonus to help you get started right away. What is house sitting? House sitting is a mutually beneficial arrangement where homeowners entrust their home and pets to responsible sitters while they travel. In exchange for providing care and security, house sitters receive free accommodation, ranging from short weekend stays to long-term assignments lasting months or even a year. Why is house sitting a win-win? First, for homeowners, they gain peace of mind knowing their home is occupied and well-maintained, their pets receive personalized care, and they avoid costly boarding fees. For house sitters, they enjoy free accommodation, often in desirable locations, while living like a local instead of staying in hotels or rentals. It's an excellent way to travel affordably, experience new cultures, and sometimes even enjoy luxury homes with pools, gardens, and scenic views. How to get started? Several platforms connect homeowners and sitters, making it easy to find assignments worldwide. Some of the most popular sites include Trusted House Sitters, one of the largest platforms, offering sites in major cities and rural retreats worldwide. House Carers, a reliable site with a mix of short and long-term sites across different countries. Nomador, popular in Europe, particularly for house sits in France, but also features international listings. Many platforms require a membership fee, but it's a small investment compared to the savings on accommodation costs. Who can become a house sitter? House sitting is open to individuals, couples, retirees, digital nomads, and even families who can provide trustworthy, pet-loving care. While previous experience can be helpful, many homeowners prioritize sitters with strong references and a commitment to their pet's well-being. What's expected from house sitters? Daily care for pets, including feeding, walking, and companionship. Basic home maintenance like watering plants, collecting mail, and ensuring security. Keeping the home clean and tidy during and after the stay. The benefits of house. Sitting first, save thousands on travel expenses. Enjoy free stays in cities, beach towns, and countryside retreats. Second, live like a local. Immerse yourself in new cultures and communities. Third, enjoy unique homes. Stay in everything from cozy cottages to luxury estates. Fourth, build meaningful connections. Meet homeowners, neighbors, and furry friends along the way. For those seeking adventure, house sitting can be a game changer in how they travel and experience the world. Every lifestyle has its ups and downs, so let's break it down. Pros of house sitting. Free accommodation. Save thousands per year. Instead of paying rent or hotel fees, you can stay in beautiful homes worldwide for free. Live in dream homes. From luxury mansions and beachfront properties to cozy countryside cottages, house sitting opens doors to unique and stunning accommodations. Experience slow travel. Unlike short vacations, house sitting allows you to immerse yourself in a destination, explore at a relaxed pace, and truly live like a local. Connect with amazing pets and homeowners. If you're an animal lover, you'll have the joy of bonding with pets while meeting kind and generous homeowners. Lower travel costs. With free lodging, you can stretch your budget, afford longer trips, and spend more on experiences rather than accommodation. Diverse destinations. House-sitting opportunities exist worldwide, from big cities to remote retreats, allowing you to experience places you might never have considered. A sense of purpose. Taking care of pets and homes adds structure to your travels and provides a fulfilling sense of responsibility. Cons of house sitting. You need to apply and get selected. Competition can be tough, especially for high-demand locations or luxury homes. A strong profile and good reviews help. Pet responsibilities. You'll need to follow pet care routines, administer medication if necessary, and handle any unexpected pet-related issues. Not always glamorous. Some homes may be older, cluttered, or require extra maintenance. Remote locations may have limited amenities or unreliable internet. Commitment required. Unlike traditional travel, house sitting comes with responsibilities. You can't just leave for spontaneous overnight trips or ignore pet schedules. Adjusting to different homes. Every house has its own quirks, from unique appliances to unfamiliar security systems, which may take time to get used to. No guaranteed availability. There's no certainty you'll always find a house sit in your desired location or at the exact time you want to travel. But if you're flexible, love animals, and enjoy free travel, the benefits far outweigh the downsides. House sitting is an excellent way to explore new places while living comfortably, without the cost of rent or hotels. Want to travel the world, stay in amazing homes for free, and enjoy the flexibility of a nomadic lifestyle? House sitting is the perfect way to make that happen. Whether you're looking for short getaways, long-term stays, or even full-time house sitting, I've got you covered. To help you get started, I've put together a free house sitting starter guide packed with expert tips and insider strategies. Inside, you'll learn: check the best house sitting platforms. Not all house sitting websites are created equal. I'll show you which ones are worth your time and how to find the best listings. How to create a winning profile. Stand out from other sitters and make homeowners eager to choose you, even if you're just starting out. My top tips for getting accepted fast: avoid common mistakes, craft the perfect application, and use my proven techniques to land your ideal house sits quickly. What homeowners are really looking for. Understand what makes a sitter trustworthy, reliable, and in demand. How to build your reputation. Even if you're brand new to house sitting, I'll show you how to get glowing reviews that open doors to premium sites. Click the link in the description to grab your free guide now. But if you're ready to take house sitting to the next level and start securing premium house sits with confidence, then my house sitting course is for you. In this step-by-step training, I break down my entire system. Everything I've learned from years of house sitting, so you can skip the guesswork and fast-track your success. In the course, you'll learn advanced profile optimization. Make your profile irresistible to homeowners. Application secrets. How to write messages that get a yes even in competitive markets. Interview strategies. How to impress homeowners and build instant trust. Finding hidden opportunities. Ways to land sits that others overlook. Long-term and luxury sits. How to secure dream stays in amazing locations. No more struggling with rejections or wondering if house sitting is right for you. This course will guide you every step of the way. Check the link below to enroll today. Got questions about house sitting? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest videos on mastering house sitting, budget travel, and living a flexible, affordable lifestyle. Your next adventure starts now. Let's make it happen. Blast off.